Welcome to the BMM Racing unboxing review of the Blade MCX2. Please note this is a bind and fly model and does not include a transmitter. First off, we'll start with the Blade MCX2, which most notable difference is the new canopy and also the new upper and lower blades. Please also note one of the main features is the inclusion of dual rate controls. This will allow both expert and beginners pilots to have as much fun as possible. As with the MCX2 still comes with the original charging base and the 4 AA batteries. In addition, the MCX2 now comes with the new 120 mAh battery, included extra body grommets and a Phillips screwdriver, and the full instruction manual. Thank you for watching the BMM Racing review.